Good morning to one and all. Once again, welcome to HM Stocks. Today we are going to discuss about candlesticks, how to read a candle, what is it, everything we are going to read in detail. Candlesticks and why are they used? A candlestick chart represents the price movement of a stock over a certain time period. This type of chart is quite popular among traders because they are easy to read and understand. There are two basic candles. Bullish candle, when the close is higher than the open, usually green or white. Bearish candle, when the close is lower than the open, usually red or black. See, here you have to know about what is a candlestick. A candlestick is nothing but in a certain period of time whether the price has moved up or moved down. If the price has moved up, it will come as bullish candle. If the price has moved down, it will come as bearish candle. Bullish candle will always be in a green color. Bearish candle will always be in a red color. That is the only difference. It's like very simple. You can easily read it and analyze it. I'll just tell you, I'll explain you from a chart. One second. Here you can see these are the days, like 5 minutes. You can set the graph for 5 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 month. Like these are the days you can set for anything. Like these are candles. This is area. This is bars. It will be like this, the graphs. But these are very pretty complicated to read and it's very hard. So these are the types: candles, halo candles, Heikin-Ashi, line, area, baseline, Renko, line break, Kagi, point and figure. These are the types of these are the types which indicates like how the graph is moving. But the most important, the most basic thing which all the traders use in everywhere is that candles, because they're easy to analyze and easy to understand. So for example, now in this graph, let us take this candle. A candle has started at this point, 208 rupees. The candle has started within after a certain period of time, the candle has increased for 254 rupees. So we can keep the time period for 1 hour, 1 day. I prefer almost I'll keep for 1 day. So this gives a general overlay of price, how it have been increased or decreased. So let's take this candle. So on this particular day, the price has started at 302 rupees and the price has gone up to 306 rupees. So in this particular day, the price has increased for almost 5 rupees. So next day you can see the candle. It's a green candle again. So it has started at 306 and it has ended at 311. So same, by this way you can know the candle has increased and it's green color. So that means it's a bullish candle. And same way you can see this candle, this red candle here, it is 330 rupees here and it has fallen to 320 rupees on the same day. On one day it has fallen from 330 to 320. So like this you can just read the candles. This is the way the candles are. And look at this point. Once it has started falling here, it has fallen till here. These are like red candles. Red candles are always bearish candles and the green candles are always bullish candles. Green candle means the share price has increased. Red candles means the share price has decreased. That's the only difference you all need to know. Let's go back to the presentation. So that is about bullish and bearish candles. We have studied about that. So next, so how to read a candle? When you saw the chart, there was this wicks and everything. So you didn't know what was a wick, what is a body, what is open, what is closed. So now I'm going to teach you. Always a green candle will start from the bottom and will go to the upside. And always a red candle will start at the top and will come to the beginning. That's how you have to read a graph. For example, we'll take this red candle. The opening price was here. On 1 day, we'll consider this candle for 1 day candle. The opening was here and the price came down till here. And it got closed on the day here. On the day opening at 9:15, it opened at here. At the end of the day at 3:30, it closed here. That means the share price of that company has decreased. You may think, what is this high, what is this low? On that particular day, the price has reached to this extent, this high level. That is called as wick or shadow. That is nothing but on the certain day, the price of share, for example, we'll consider the share price was 5 rupees. It has increased to 6 or 7 rupees, and again it has fallen down to 3 rupees. So that is how we have to read a candle. These wicks are nothing but their shadows. That much height the candle had gone, and again it has fallen down. So it got ended here. In the same way, this also wick, it has fallen so much, again due to the bull's power, again it has raised up, and it has closed at a little bit higher value than the wick. So that is about open and close. In the same way, we'll discuss the green candle. It has opened at here, and it has gone in the upward direction, and it has closed at here. 9:15 it was opened at here. It got closed at 3:30 at this point. What is this high? On that day, how much high the value has reached? More than this, the value has gone up, and again it has fallen down to here, and it got closed here. That is the way you have to read a candle. So next. So in this, I can even more briefly tell you about the candle. See, the opening price is 100 rupees. So from here, starting the price has increased till here. Again it has fallen down to 90 rupees. Again the candle has increased. Again it has reached a high of 140 rupees. And it got closed at 130 rupees. In the same way, when you see the candle, the opening price is 100 rupees. You can see the candle started at 100 and it got ended at 130 rupees. But below 100, you can see a small line indicating 90. That is the low. On that day, the price has gone that low. That is called a wick or shadow. When the price has gone low, and again when it's come down, you'll get a wick like this. The wick will be formed like this. In the same way, above, you can see above 130 there is a small line which you all can see. That is a wick. That is called a wick. On that day it has reached 140 rupees, and again it has fallen to 130 rupees. So the candle got closed here itself, and it has formed a wick. That is how you read a candle. It's very important, very basic, very easy to understand. You can just simply give 5 minutes of your time and you can understand this. It's that simple, and you can earn profits. So that's it for today, and in upcoming videos we can discuss about more about this. And if you have any queries, you can contact us. We'll be available 24 hours to solve your problem. Thank you.